So I'm cleaning up a bunch of ice because someone put this shelf under here. Put the ice maker bin under here. The shelf actually goes down here and the ice maker on top. So silly. I don't know who would do that, but it's funny. Anyway, the ice just kept making ice over here, and of course it's not going to shut off like that. You just spilled all out and over. Now I can show you how it should go. Is this still? Wow, they really got it jammed in there. There we go. Goes like that. This goes down on the bottom. It actually flips around the other way, so it's all kinds of wrong. Somebody so silly. Anyway, job security. There it is. Let's clean up the bottom, and that's that. And now when it makes ice, it'll fill until it moves the paddle and makes it shut off. And this paddle doesn't take much pressure, but it's just a little. That's what makes it shut off. Anyway, done deal. Nice and easy.